that is where we just came from. And this is where we're at now. And the reason why we're here is not to get away from the cold or the snow, but rather it's because I got a call from an old friend of mine who made me an offer that I just couldn't refuse. So I'm here with my good friend Mark Turner, and he's with a company called ACCUAIR. And the reason why we're here today is because he's going to tell us a little bit about this Jeep Gladiator, and maybe more importantly, what they've got installed on it. Mark, can you tell us a little bit about what we're looking at here?
This thing is actually a whole new way to lift a vehicle. This is an air suspension. And not like you guys are thinking it's the air suspension from the old days like the Lincolns had and everything else. This suspension kit was actually designed for the Jeeps to give you all the functionality that you're really trying to find.
First question a lot of guys are going to ask is, well, how much of a lift is this? Is it like a 1-inch lift, a 5-inch lift, and what size tires can you run with it?
Well, the great thing about it, the JT Jeep, you can actually run 37-inch tall tires, and that's a 3.5 inches of lift. But you can bring that thing down to stock if you want to get inside your garage if you've got a bunch of stuff on top of the vehicle. The JL, it's going to run 35s. Same thing, 3.5 inches of lift with adjustability for 1.5 when you're going down the highway.
Can we take a look at it? Is this replacing the coils, or what is this?
Yeah, so you're basically going to remove your coil springs, you're going to remove all of your control arms, you're going to remove your track bar, you're even going to remove your sway bar links. And what we're going to do is put an air suspension on here that creates correct geometry. So now your drivetrain angles are correct, your caster's correct, your camber's correct. Everything was as it was from the factory, but you're 3.5 inches taller.
So I'm actually kind of wondering, I get that there are like these airbags or these bellows in here. How do these things get inflated?
All right, so these are actually air cylinders, air pistons. So when you look at them, they actually have billet aluminum top and bottoms in them, and that actually goes up inside the airbag. And the airbag has a spring rate, just like a regular coil is. And that's why we set the ride heights at 3.5, because it's gonna hold you at 3.5 inches of lift. And then if you want to drop it down, you'll get to your stock height if you want to get in your garage when you're under 25 miles an hour. And by the way, this kit is 100% made in America.
Made in America because it matters.
Even our shock absorbers are made in America, and the airbags are made in America. And the reason we did that is because we can control the quality of our system. So all the compressors are bolt in, but when you get it, you'll get your kit. It comes in a pallet. There's a lot of boxes. Don't freak out. It's kind of fun. But when you open up your compressor, it's actually on a skid plate. The compressor is mounted. Your 3-gallon air tank is mounted. It's a seamless tank. Your controller is mounted. Everything's ready to go. You just put 4 bolts in it, and now your compressor is mounted. I'm not saying the rest of the kit's that easy, but that's pretty simple when it comes to the compressor.
So Mark, what exactly am I looking at underneath the seat here?
Well, the cool little ACCUAIR logo with the awesome little light on it, that's the brain of the entire system. It's waterproof, but still we put it inside the vehicle. And next to that is actually your air up kit, so you can air up your tires, your paddle board, or anything else that you have. It'll even run little bitty air tools and little air nailers as well, in case you got to fix that fence on the farm.
So really, to air up your tires, you don't need to buy anything extra? Everything's in there?
Everything's in there. It comes in a bag. It's got the little gauge on it. It's got the squeeze in there, so you just put whatever tire pressure you want in there, and you're ready to go.
All right, so it looks like this is the controller to operate the suspension system. Mark, can you show me how that works?
Yeah, the controller is really user-friendly. Again, you've got the little green light says when the compressor is on or off. 2 is the preset for 3.5 inches of lift. 1 is the preset for 1.5 inches of lift. 3 is a custom setting, so when you're under 25 miles an hour, you can adjust anything you want. Like if you're high-centered on a rock or something, you can go ahead and you're under 25, you can punch 3 and raise up the vehicle to get over that rock. And if you want to pull into your garage, hit 1. Brings it down a little bit. Now you can pull in your garage and not worry about your rack getting ripped off.
Very cool.
And what's really cool is there's an app in case you just want to play with it. You can actually control the entire vehicle with your app. So it tells you your tank pressure. And right now we're 195 PSI. Level 1 is 1.5 inches of lift. Level 2 is 3.5 inches of lift. Level 3 is your custom settings. And you can actually air up or air down, whatever you want to control on the vehicle. So if you're backing up to your trailer, you can just drop down the back until your trailer grabs a hold. And then you can raise it back up when you get the ball. So you can actually change everything you want outside the vehicle before you get into it.
That was cool. I don't know if you heard it, but he just let the air out of the suspension system. The whole Jeep sitting way closer to the ground. Can you raise it again using your phone?
We can. Just hit one simple button. The vehicle goes back up, and you can actually adjust every single corner if you want. Let's say you're camping and you're at a weird little angle. Well, I need my right rear to go a little bit higher, so I'll go ahead and air up that one side. We can level it out and go camping.
That is cool. So it looks pretty technical, I have to say. Is this actually something that any guy can install, or is this something a shop needs to install?
You know, we worked really, really hard on this suspension to give us something that we could create that you can install in your garage, or a shop could do it. But let's be honest, this kit's very complicated in the fact that you're removing a lot of the suspension components. You'll do the front first, and then you'll do the rear. Realistically, you're looking at about 15 hours to install this kit if you've installed a suspension kit in the past. If you haven't, get a couple buddies, grab your favorite beverage, take a weekend to knock it out.
So the question that I know all of you want to know, and I want to know as well, how much is this kit?
You know, this kit retails for $6,999.99. But you know what? It's worth every dime, because if you think about it, this is a compressor. The compressor comes with an air up kit, so you can air up your tires. It'll air up your paddle board if you were taking that out when you're overlanding. It also comes with sway bar disconnects for the front, all new JRI racing shocks. I mean, if you're watching NASCAR or F1 racing, those are JRI shocks, and our kit comes with those. They're tuned to this suspension. It gives you the ability to go to stock height so your dog can hop in. You can have a lot of fun with it. You can go down the road, you can make your adjustability. And the coolest thing that I like is once everybody puts a lift kit on their vehicle, the first thing they do is they add a bumper and they add a winch, and then guess what? The vehicle's sitting back down an inch, inch and a half. With the air suspension, drive 25 miles an hour, it resets to 3.5, and you're done. You don't have to do anything. You can add as much stuff to this thing as you want. If you want to tow with it, if you've got a boat, you got a jet ski, you got a UTV, and you want a one-purpose vehicle, throw it on the back, It's gonna auto level yourself at 25 miles an hour, tow it with confidence.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Mark. I really appreciate it. So, remember that offer I was telling you about? The one I just couldn't refuse? Well, it was to take possession of this awesome Gladiator, and for an extended period of time, and to drive it, to wheel it, to use it like we would any of our Jeeps, and with the only catch being that we share our experiences with you. With that said, we hope that you'll check back again soon, as we will be sure to post a whole host of videos highlighting ACCUAIR. Of course, if there's anything that you would like to see or learn more about, be sure to post up your questions here on our YouTube channel or on Wayalife.com. We'll see you soon.